Hello friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will talk about MACHENIKE Flagship Mini-GTX PC. So friend, MACHENIKE has unveiled a new mini PC featuring AMD Ryzen 8040 Hawk-Point APUs for around $400 and friend. So friends, starting with the specification, this mini GTX PC will feature AMD's top Ryzen 7 8845HS CPU from firm's recently released Ryzen 8000 series. And friend, this chip has 8 Gen 4 core, 16 threads, core clock of up to 5.1 GHz and TDP that can be configured between 45 watt to 54 watt, which can be tuned up to 65 watt and 16 MB of L3 cache. And friend, to drive gaming, the chip features RDNA 3 based AMD Radeon 780M iGPU, which offers 12 compute units, clock at 2700 MHz. Regarding computing and graphics performance, the mini PC is a very well balanced machine with high-end capabilities and the fastest AI NPU on the market right now. Interestingly, in terms of overall design, it has an illuminated logo at the very top, resembling Superman's logo at least in eyes. Overall chassis is solid metallic, usual grey color scheme runs around, so there is nothing too fancy. The Mini GTX is a solid pick for those interested in a daily driver compute machine since it offers decent performance and portability is suitable for an average consumer and friend. Products are often regionally limited. We might not see the Mini GTX released globally and friend in terms of pricing. Lowest you can go with $400, which includes 16 GB memory and 1 TB SSD capacity on board, and the 32 GB variant will cost you around $483, which is decent but a high price to pay for a mini PC. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Hello friends, welcome to the Techly Zen channel. So friends, today I will talk about MSI MAG 274URFW 27-inch all-white 4K 160Hz gaming monitor. So friend, this monitor that combines a 4K resolution with advanced performance features suitable for high-demand gaming applications and introduced by Microstar International Co. Limited. Based in Taiwan, this model emphasizes high-speed display capabilities and integrated with state-of-the-art gaming technologies. And friend, it supports a refresh rate of 160 Hz and response time as rapid as zero point 0.5 millisecond, ensuring smooth and responsive gameplay. The monitor is designed using rapid IPS technology, which enhances the speed and clarity of the display, making it an ideal choice for dynamic gaming sceneries. This model adapts to a SARS display HDR 400 standard, offering enhanced brightness and contrast, bring out detailed visuals in HDR-enabled games. And the screen achieves a peak brightness of 400 nits and maintains a contrast ratio of 1000 Jam1, which combined with HDR capability provide a vivid and immersive viewing experience. And friend, from a color accuracy perspective, it covers a wide range of color spectrum, including Adobe RGB at 93%, DCI-P3 at 98%, sRGB at an impressive 133%. This broad coverage enables precise color reproduction, making the monitor suitable for both gaming and professional color work. And the display support over 1.07 billion colors and offers wide viewing angles of 178 degrees both horizontally and vertically. And the monitor is equipped with several ports including DisplayPort 1.48, two HDMI 2.1 port, one USB Type-C and headphone output, providing connectivity option for various devices. And friend, additional gaming specific feature include Smart Crosshair, which changes color to contrast with the background, enhancing targeting accuracy, optic scope, which offers multi-step zoom capability for precision aiming, and AI vision, which enhance visibility in dark area of game, ensuring no detail missed during game. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Hello friends, welcome to the Techly Zen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Sarkun Rebel C20 ITX case for higher end compact builds. So friends, Harkun is now launching the Rebel C20 ITX, even though this case is primarily designed for mini ITX mainboard as well as SFX and SFX LPSUs. It should also be able to accommodate the largest graphics card and editors, and in addition, the case can be positioned either vertically or horizontally, and it is available either as a version without fans or a version with pre-installed addressable RGB fans for cooling. And friend, the Rebel C20 IDX should be able to accommodate the largest modern graphics card at the RTX 4090 series well, a radiator up to 360 radiators. And friend, as the Rebel C20 ITX can be positioned either vertically or horizontally, it can not only serve as gaming PC but also become a compact PC that fits into any living room or office room at the home. And friend, apart from the aforementioned radiator, the total of 9 120 fans can be installed inside the Rebel C20 ITX, and the RGB version of the case. The C20 ITX RGB is equipped with an RGB controller and three pre-installed 120 fans with addressable RGB illumination. With addressable RGB illumination and friend, both versions of the Rebel C20 ITX have paneling with perforated surface to provide an optimal ventilation on installed hardware. And friend, as a conventional USB port, both versions of the case are equipped with USB Type-C and TRRS port for in-complemented connection to mobile and storage device. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, The Rebel C20 ITX is now available for €139.90 and the Rebel C20 ITX RGB is now available at the price of €149.90. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.